How to make your own emojis on iPhone. To make emojis of your own, firstly select the photo from where you would like to get the emoji. For example, I have selected this photo. Now click and hold on the object you would like to select. Automatically, the object will be detected and will be selected. To use this again and again as a sticker, click on Add Sticker. Now as you can see, it will be added to your sticker section. You can keep it like this or add more effects. To add more effects, click on Add Effects. Now there are different kind of effects available. Select one. Now just like that, you can use this as your emoji or sticker in messages. Let me show you how you can use this. Just to show you guys, I have opened my messenger. When you go to the emoji section, you should see this sticker. You can click the emoji and drag it to your messages. This way, the sticker will get properly sent. So this is how you can use any of your pictures as sticker and use it as emojis. That's all for today. Thank you.